Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in. I'm Emily, the home bookkeeper, and on this channel I help business owners and fellow freelance bookkeepers navigate the ever-changing QuickBooks Online, while also sharing insightful videos on all things business ownership and finance. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up customers in QuickBooks Online. I'll show you how to add customers manually and import customer data from a comma-separated values, CSV, Excel, or Google Sheet file. First, you'll need to gather the information that you need to set up your new customers, including the following: the customer's company name, the contact name, address, email address, website address, telephone numbers, along with an opening balance if they have any. Unless you are adding only one or just a few customers, I recommend that you use a spreadsheet so that you can import your information easily into QuickBooks. If you already have client information in another software, determine if that information can be exported to a spreadsheet. If you're gathering information in a spreadsheet, then you can skip ahead to the discussion on how to add customers in QuickBooks using Excel, CSV files, or Google Sheet files. However, I recommend learning how to add the information manually so that you have a good understanding of the fields available for client information. To set up customers in your company file, navigate to the Customer Center by hovering over Sales on the left-hand side toolbar, then clicking Customers. From the Customer Center, click on the green New button in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. At a minimum, you need to enter basic contact information for your customers. This includes contact name, business name, billing address, email address, and telephone number. You'll need to provide the name of the client or the name of the contact person if the customer is a company. The customer display name field will auto-populate based on the information entered in the customer name field, but can be changed if you wish. You can enter the company name or leave it blank if the customer is an individual. Moving on to contact details, enter the contact information, including email address and phone number. You must also specify how to print the customer's name on checks. You may check the box to use the display name as field or type in a different name. Now moving down to addresses. The billing address specifies the address to print on invoices that you send to your customers. The shipping address is the address that will be used to ship products to your customers. The default setting is to use the same as the billing address, so if this needs to be changed, make sure you update it. One of the features that I find really useful with the customer profile in QuickBooks Online is the ability to use the Notes tab to store any helpful information about that customer, such as who referred them or their relationship with other customers. You can add any notes here. You can also attach documents to keep on file for this customer, such as signed contracts or copies of email correspondence. Scrolling down to the payments section, you can see the option for the preferred primary payment method. This preferred payment method determines the default payment method applied when you receive a payment from this customer, such as a check, cash, or credit card. This setting can be changed to another form of payment easily, if needed, when payments are received. The sales form delivery option allows you to specify how you want to deliver sales forms, such as invoices, estimates, sales receipts to this customer. The payment terms. This field lets you select the conditions under which the customer is expected to pay an invoice, such as net 10, net 30, net 15, or due upon receipt. For instance, if you select net 30, that means the customer has 30 days to pay their invoice in full. If you don't specify a payment term, The default payment term you have set up for all customers will be used for this new customer. Next, you can select from 6 different languages for each customer's invoices. There's English, French, Spanish, Italian, Chinese, and Portuguese. The remaining tabs in the customer window are optional, but they can store some very important information, such as customer type. You can specify whether the customer is categorized as residential or commercial. The tax info. This indicates whether the customer is subject to sales tax and stores their exception number. The opening balance. This field is used to record any outstanding balance that a customer owes you at the time you create their customer record. This field is typically used when you are transitioning to QuickBooks from another accounting system, and you need to record any unpaid invoices or other transactions that the customer still owes you for. For instance, if your new customer has an outstanding invoice of $500 that hasn't been paid yet, you need to enter $500 in the opening balance field. When you are finished, click the green Save button on the lower right corner of your customer information screen to save the information that you've input. Once your new customer is created, QuickBooks Online will take you to the Customer Details screen where you can review the information you just entered. If you wish to change any information, click the Edit button under the Customers tab. The Customer Information screen you originally used to make the record of the new customer will appear, and you can make any changes that you need there. Now this video is getting pretty long, so make sure you're subscribed and following along for part 2. And as always, for more business resources, my online self-paced home bookkeeper masterclass, business supplies, gadgets, must-haves, and more, make sure to check out adjconsultinggroup.com, linked in the description box below. And of course, like this video, subscribe to my channel and turn on those bell notifications so you'll never miss an upload. If you have any video or tutorial requests, make sure to leave them in the comments below. And if you need more assistance, private QuickBooks Online coaching, or bookkeeping and payroll management, feel free to email or visit edjconsultinggroup.com. My firm is fully inclusive and ready to help you along wherever you may be in your entrepreneurship or personal wealth building journey.